What's going on, guys? Your boy G. Welcome to Gs Exotic Finches. And today we're gonna take a look at the babies and see how they are doing. Look at the coloring, it's coming along. This is awesome. This one here was born, believe it or not, I think 5 days later from the first bird. Which these three were born. Two were born in one day and then the other the next day. And then 2 days later him and then him. These guys are doing great. These are the English show budgies. Mama bird and his mom. They got some pretty nice stance to them. Nice little colors. They like to be like covered and they calm down a little bit. You know, and if they're not covered, they tend to go a little crazy. This clutch was 6. One baby died. I thought he was gonna die, the little one, but it was the one that's above him. These guys got the bands on their feet already. That allows me to show them. The bands come from overseas. So we have to place the order and then they're shipped over here. Hey. This is something new that I'm playing with, you know. I get to show them. We get to travel all over the United States to show the birds. It's pretty cool. So one thing I like to do is when they're a little bit, I'll probably say by Saturday. By Saturday, let's see here. I like to get a piece of millet spray and I'll place it in here. Okay. But they're too young as of right now. But once they get a little bit older and they're ready to start nibbling, that's when I'll do that. And the mom can eat inside the nest, and so can the babies learn how to eat. So by the time they go out, they already know what they're doing. They're not lost when they're out there. All the other birds are doing great, fantastic. A bunch of eggs, a bunch of babies. Stay tuned for a video that I'm gonna show you guys how I do my Eco Tonic, the natural remedies. I recommend everybody to practice it. Giving medicine 4-in-1, all-in-one, you know, respiratory medicine. It's okay to do it before the breeding season and after the breeding season. So you can ensure your birds, you know, is treated and good to go. But during the other months, on the off season and on the on season, a Eco Tonic, homemade Eco Tonic, will advance your birds to the next level. Feathers, immunity. So you will notice that your birds won't get sick. So everything will play out. Stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye, guys.